folks. Previously I've done videos on basic servicing of a BMW GS, covering oil filter change, front and rear disc pad change. Today I'm now going to do final drive oil change. 5-minute job. It really is a piece of cake, simple one. All you need is a T30 to undo those three, and a number 6 hex key. What you will also need, I've had this a little while, is final drive oil. All you actually need is 180 millilitres, which is that much. Not a lot at all. As I say, it's 180 millilitres, so all you can use an old cooking jug for this. That's getting ahead of ourselves. First off, take the rear mudguard off. Get that out of the way, don't need that. Okay, so this is the final drive filler cap, and then under here is the final drive emptying cap. So the first thing you do, take off the filler. It's always worthwhile when you're working on your bike to make sure the thing's clean. Okay, so that's the top one undone. As you can imagine, this is the one that's going to get a bit messy in a minute. You will also need a torque wrench, but I'll cover that at the end just to nip these up to the right tension. The state of that. But that is bloody awful. Just clean the drain plug out. If you wanted to, it would not hurt to simply flush through. So having given it a quick flush through and emptied it all out, I'm now going to put the drain plug back in. And when it gets hand tight like that, I stop. Now comes the fun part of filling. So I just use a little funnel, put it in, and gently top up, making sure my funnel is actually in. As I say, it's 180 millilitres, it's not a lot. When you're taking any bolts out of your bike, it's always good practice just to give it a little clean up before you put the thing back in. They work so much better that way. Now the filler cap does have a crush washer, so you do need to make sure you've got a replacement crush washer for that. So torque settings for both the filler and the drain plug is 20 Newton meters. A little trick I've learned when using a torque wrench, I'm at 20 Newton meters, but what I did was I went up to 22 and then back off to 20. Then I know I'm actually at 20. Here is my replacement washer. Put that on. Drop her in. As I say, it's 20 Newton meters for both of them. There we go. 20 Newton meters for the top. Get my oil out the way so I don't spill it everywhere. Yep, 20. You don't want to over tighten that. And there we have it. That's your final drive oil changed. Let's get the back end up a bit there, clean. Because this is a 2013 model, I have got a few bits of oranging of corrosion around the final drive area, but it's not something I'm overly worried about. I just keep an eye on it. And then just put your mudguard back on. And what I do is I put the middle one in first, so I can then locate both the top or the bottom, depending how I'm feeling. Some days I'll go top first, sometimes I'll go bottom first. Now these I don't torque up, I just nip them up. They don't have to be overly tensioned. There you go, job done. Hope you enjoyed that one. As I say, it's quite a quick, easy job. There we go. Speak to you soon. Keep rubber side down. Cheers.